Did you know one man built an entire fake stock exchange just to steal people's money? Joseph Yellow Kid Weil was the greatest con artist in American history. For 40 years, he stole $8 million through pure theatrical genius. His masterpiece was a completely fake stock exchange. He hired actors to play traders, telegraph operators, and customers. Everything looked real. Weil would bring wealthy businessmen inside, let them win small amounts first, build their confidence, then convince them to invest their life savings in worthless stocks. He also created fake banks, phony oil wells, non-existent inventions. He always targeted greedy men who thought they were getting secret insider deals. Police arrested him dozens of times, but juries kept letting him go. They found his schemes too entertaining to punish. The most shocking part? Will claimed he could have stolen much more money, but he preferred the intellectual challenge of fooling people over actually getting rich. He finally retired at age 75, the man who turned crime into an art form.